This is the HEF series compact-type air-cooled thermo-controller. The HEF series thermo-chiller is refrigerant-free with a low-noise design. The noise level is only 37 decibels at low load. It also provides an excellent temperature controllability, taking only 41 seconds to lower the temperature to 10 degrees Celsius. This is a reduction by 86% compared with the existing HECR. Space saving. The HEF has a more compact construction compared with the existing HEC series, and the volume has been reduced by 88%. Low noise design. The noise level is only 37 decibels at low load by controlling the fan rotation speed. When the customer load increases or when the set temperature is changed by a large amount, the noise level rises to around 60 decibels. Construction and principles. The circulating fluid outlet temperature is controlled precisely by a Peltier element between the heat exchanger and heat sink, which is controlled by supplying DC power supply. The circulating fluid returns to the tank and is pumped through the heat exchanger and temperature sensor and out from the circulating fluid outlet. Application examples: cooling light sources. It is also used for physical and chemical applications. The HEF has a user-friendly control panel. Easy maintenance. The HEF has a dust filter built into the front panel. The dust filter can be easily removed. Dust, foreign matter can be easily removed with a brush or vacuum cleaner. The dust filter can be replaced if it gets very dirty. Thank you for watching.